Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class. I hope you all are watching videos and following ePortal regularly. I have given the assignment 1, assignment 2. Please check it, solve it and submit in ePortal. Okay children, let's start today class 1. Class 1, please take out your math magic book. All of you please take out your math magic book. Chapter number 2 and page number 43. This page. Please open page number 43. Today I will start from this page. Okay. And the previous day I told to color this object. Color 6 birds. Color 9 mangoes. Color 1 elephant. Color 7 pigs. I hope you all have completed. I hope you all have completed your work. And now let's start today from page number 43. In the name these things and write their number in the circle. In the book there are given the fishes. In the box there are given few objects. You have to count how many objects and write in the circle, and you have to write the name of that objects, and you have to write the name of these things also. In the first box there are given, what is this? Everybody know? I hope. Count. In the first box, what is this? What is this? This is fish. Fishes. Write down over here. You all please write over here the name of these things. Fishes. F-I-S-H-E-S. And count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the circle, please write down how many? 7. Next, there are, in the second box, what is this? This is books. Write over here, books. How many are there? 1, 2. In the circle, please write down 2. In the next box, what is this? This is tubs. Write down T-U-B-S. How many? 1, 2, 3. Big, it is a large container. And now balloons. In the next box, how many? What is this? What is this? This is balloons. Write down here. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. And how many? Count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write in the circle 7. And balloons, please write over here in down. Done everybody? Faces, books, tubs, balloons. Okay? And the next. Next, what is this? These are candles. How many? What is this? This is candles. Write down over here. Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Please count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And please write down in the circle 9. And next, what is this? This is mouse. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is mice. Write down. I can draw. Okay. Nicely. How many? 4. And more than one mouse. Show mice. M-I-C-E. In the next box, there is bell. How many bells are there? Please, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the circle, please write down 5. And bells. B-E-L-L-S. In the next box, brasses. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many brasses? Brasses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the circle, please write down 9. And write over here the name of these things. Brasses. More than one, show brasses. Now, turn over the next page. Please, all of you, turn over the next page. 44. There are colored the collection which has more objects. Color the collection which has more object. Here is a water bottle and glasses, which is more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 water bottles and 3 glasses. So water bottles are more. So it is, you have to, this is already colored. This is pink color. Show it colored, and this is not. And now in the next one is ball and bat. In the first, there are how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. And how many bats are there? 1, 2, 3. You have to color, okay children? And 4. How many bats are there? 4 bats. And the 6 ball. So which is more? Which is more? You just tick. Balls are more. So tick it and you will color in your home. Light color. Obviously I have no color. I am just giving a tick over here. And I can't color on the board. You will color in book. Now the next picture, there is a flower and butterfly. Which is more? There are the 2 flowers and 3 butterflies. 2 flower and 3 butterfly. Which is more? Butterfly. Tick the butterfly and you have to color the butterflies. You have to color, tick it. Tick the butterflies, you have to color butterflies, not flower. And there is a pin. How many? 1, 2, 3. And this hammer, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is more? Hammer. So tick this box. Tick it. You have to color. You have to color this. You have to color this. And next is box apples. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mangoes. Which is more? Apple or mangoes? Apples are more. So you have to color apples. So please all of you watch the videos and you will take your color and color the which object more. Which has more object, that one you color. In the ball, here butterflies, there hammer, and here apples. Okay children? Understood? Today this much. See you next class. Thank you.